Hello and welcome everyone. So we were discussing about the previous year questions of Indian history. আমি অলৰেডি 2018, 16, 14 আৰু 15 কুৱেশ্যনখিনি ডিছকাছ কৰিলোঁ আগৰ ভিডিঅ'কেইটাত আৰু এই ভিডিঅ'টোত আমি ডিছকাছ কৰিম ইণ্ডিয়ান হিষ্ট্ৰীৰ 2013 কুৱেশ্যনখিনি। So let's get started. So we have the first question as the Yandabu Treaty was signed in 1826 between East India Company and the Ahom King, East India Company and the Burmese, British Crown and the Ahom King, or British Crown and the Burmese. So the correct option will be B, East India Company and the Burmese. So the Treaty of Yandabu was signed on 24th of February in the year 1826 after the end of 2 years of war between East India Company and the Burmese. So moving to the next question. So the next question is the hybrid Indo-Greek art form depicting Buddhist themes is known as Tanjore art, Gandhara art, Pahari art or Kangra art. So the correct option will be B, Gandhara art. So Gandhara art is the combination of Indian and Greek art forms. It is mainly associated with Mahayana form of Buddhism and the main theme of Gandhara art is related to the Buddha and the Bodhisattvas. So moving to the next question we have the title given by the British to Gandhiji which he surrendered was Hind Kesari, Kesare Hind, Jewel of India or Rai Bahadur. So Kesare Hind is the correct option. So this title was given to Gandhiji by Lord Hardinge in 1915 for his contribution towards the ambulance service during the Boer War in South Africa. But later Gandhiji surrendered this title protesting against the Jallianwala Bagh massacre. So next question we have the first session of Indian National Congress was presided over by W.C. Banerjee, B.R. Ambedkar, Jawaharlal Nehru or Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. So the correct option will be A, W.C. Banerjee or Umesh Chandra Banerjee. So W.C. Banerjee was the founding president of Indian National Congress and the first session of Indian National Congress was held in Bombay during the year 1885. So moving to the next question we have the Gandhara School of Art is a contribution of Ashoka, Pulaksen to Harshavardhana or Kanishka. So the correct option will be D, Kanishka. So Gandhara School of Art is the contribution of Kanishka, the famous Kushana king. So the next question we have which of the following statement is not correct? Options are civil disobedience movement was started based on the issue of salt. Dandi March was started from Gandhiji's ashram at Warda. Gandhiji violated the salt law on April 16, 1930 or the salt march was widely covered by the European and the American press. So the correct option will be B. This statement is not correct because Dandi March was started from Gandhiji's ashram at Sabarmati and not from Warda. So moving to the next question we have Ibn Battuta, the celebrated traveler, visited Assam in the 13th century, 14th century, 15th century or the 10th century. So the correct option will be 14th century. So Ibn Battuta was a Moroccan traveler. He visited India as well as Assam in the 14th century. So the next question we have the Balkan plan for fragmentation of India was mooted by Winston Churchill, Lord Mountbatten, V.P. Menon or M.A. Jinnah. So the correct option will be Lord Mountbatten. So this plan is also known as Mountbatten plan or June plan and it provided for the partition of India and the creation of a new domain called Pakistan. So at this we come to the end of this video. 2013 Indian history ekitai question asil. So hope you like the video. If you like the video please share and subscribe to our channel so that you can get timely update of our videos. So meet you in the next video. Till then, goodbye and thank you.